So now I'm sitting at my easel and I want to show you what my view is of my computer screen, which is back there. From here I can see all the details I need to see. I can see exactly where the light source hits the eye, and I can emulate that in my portrait, which is what I've kind of been trying to work on over the last hour or so. I don't know if you can see, I'm going to use a little pointer here, but I've been trying to show where the light meets the dark. So I tried to make a line, a lighter line, by scratching the surface to lighten it up, and then a really dark line right next to it. Same with this line here. I was able to look at the eye in the painting or in the photo and try and see where that line hits and what colors are on either side of it. And in doing so, that really helps me to capture the essence of Yeti. So I don't know if you can tell a difference, but this eye is done. I've done some of the detail work on, and this eye I have not, so it's still pretty dark and needs some more highlights added to it. So this one, to get some of those really detailed areas, you're probably wondering, how the heck do you get that fine of a line? Well, I use a pin, a very fine tip of almost like a needle, and then sometimes if the paint is still wet, I can scratch the surface and then reveal the undercoat. But in this instance, the paint has dried because I needed a break. So I went back in with the pin and dipped it in the paint and essentially created individual pixels of paint. And then I was able to get pin-sized points of paint in the color that I wanted. And that's your tip for today. Happy painting.